The fundamental forces of nature are the physical interactions that govern the behavior of matter in the universe. These forces are fundamental to modern physics, as they are responsible for most of the phenomena we observe. There are four main forces: the gravitational force, the electromagnetic force, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. Gravity, although the weakest of these forces, has an infinite range and affects all objects with mass, being responsible for phenomena such as falling objects and the movement of planets. Newton's law of universal gravitation describes how two objects attract each other with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. On the other hand, the electromagnetic force is responsible for the interactions between charged particles. This force manifests itself in two ways: the attraction between opposite charges and the repulsion between like charges. Coulomb's law mathematically describes the magnitude of the electric force between two-point charges, stating that the force is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Furthermore, the law of conservation of charge maintains that the total charge in a closed system remains constant. In short, these principles are essential for understanding not only the interactions between particles, but also the foundations of electricity and magnetism as applied to modern technology.